pala. Pamayans. We have Mr. Jonathan. Please join us up here on stage as we welcome Ms. Hart and Ma'am Elisa. Okay. Let's stay here in front. You can stay center. Everybody, can we give it up for Ms. Hart and Ma'am Elisa? Please join our the ambassador first for our group photo.
Uy, kumaway siya sa'yo!
First reaction when you found out that this beloved kumbaga OG brand na to wants to get you as their Philippine brand ambassador?
You know, for me, I'm always very grateful. It's been what, 27 years, and I wouldn't think that at this age, I just turned 40, that I can still do what I love doing. And so it just gives me like a little tap on the back. Na parang you just have to be consistent and do what you love. And with science. Why does it make it comfortable? And the technology that goes into these shoes are like insane. To make it light, to make it comfortable, to make it quality, to make it lasting. And who says that just because you choose comfort, that it doesn't look cool or it doesn't look chic or stylish? So it has both comfort and stylish for those who are always on the go.
Exactly. And they always keep on innovating, right?
Yes, always keep the styles that they have now. I also have a booth of all of my curated pieces.
Oh, it's over there.
Yes, and I'm going to say, I would also visit Madame Song because I'm such a fan.
But also convenience.
Exactly. Convenience, and it's just super chic inside. I love it.
So, nasa fifth floor na ang lahat, basically. Ano po nahanapin natin, right? You have a variety of styles and silhouettes. We have arte na.
Yes! So,
may mga metrics na tayo.
School. Kasi di ba first sila? And pag sinita ko yung teacher niya dun sa high, pasok siya kasi their platform. So, it's not so obvious na mataas yung ako. So, okay talaga siya.
Exactly. Okay, but I have to ask you, clearly you have picked out these 7 favorites, but among the 7, which one is your favorite? Or maybe top 3?
Okay, so I love the clogs. I love the clogs because again, it's easy. It's so nice when you wear socks with it, and then a nice cute skirt. And then I also love her clogs with, May was wearing my favorite, Madame May, with the spotlight on you. Where are you?
Ayan.
Ayan. Very elegant with what you do. So yeah,
I love that. Well said.
Thank you so much.
A++++. Thank you so much. Is a great student today.
I know.
As a student,
You know what today?
It's high schooler, the grade 7.
Grade 7.
Okay. But actually, yes, it's really so amazing to see na ang dami ng styles niya. At dahil dyan, may pa-fast talk around.
Okay, first combination.
Okay, I love it. Comfy shoes na may height.
Yes.
Ito na nga yun. Fit long. Okay, packing light or packing everything?
Packing light. Yes. I really do pack light. When I have fashion week, I don't have 2 suitcases because it's how you put things together that makes each look different. So I love pack light. If you pack heavy, may charge pa yun. So pack light.
It's pack light. Yung iba na sa maleta ni Iza.
Hindi. Nakakaabot sa ganun.
Tama. Pack light. Exactly. Next is, what is your current obsession?
Current obsession, skincare.
As you can see.
Skincare and anything that will give me comfort because, I need a client.
Yes, exactly. So, I love it. Skincare and everything that will make life easier.
Yes.
More convenient. Yes. Okay, next. Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset. Sunset because I feel very fulfilled. I wake up every day at 4:30 in the morning, not because personal, because of I'm usually already moving. By 6 a.m., medyo rolling na kami. So hindi ko na lalagay.
I love that. Okay, next. Everyday pair or statement pair when it comes to shoes? Statement pair. For me.
Yes.
Statement pair.
Yes. But that can also be your everyday shoe. Because it's again how you mix and match your outfits.
That is the heart of Annalisa way after all. Make everyday a statement.
Exactly.
Period. Okay. Walking or running?
Walking. I like to make sure that I get 10,000 steps a day.
And actually, fun fact, alam niyo ba na mas marami ka, or mas magiging fit ka daw sa walking
kesa sa running. Kasi pag nag-running at natatagtag yung mukha. So, hindi pwede matagtag yung mukha. Kailangan, ganyan lang siya. Kailangan kape. So, I just walk. I don't work out. Hindi ako makapag-workout. Walking lang talaga yung secret. Eating healthy.
Okay, perfect. And the first thing you notice when you see a pair of shoes?
If it's gonna give me comfort, because you know, with my job, I am really exposed to different kinds of hair, whether that's high end, low end, whatever. Honestly, at the end of the day, of course, the name would parang say, oh, it's expensive, but I've had shoes that are over expensive na binayaran ko para kumangit yung paa mo. Binayaran ko para masaktan ka buong araw. Parang dami natin tinatanggap sa mga loob minsan, pati pa ako masakit. So for me, it's so important to have a pair of shoes that it's not about the price, but it's about the comfort and the confidence that it gives you. And before anything else, in my peripheral vision, I see Chia over there. To the big Chia! Chia is my ex-mother-in-law. You know, I nasa Matsunaga, and I love him to this day. I'm so
So sweet. I love that. Okay, and ito na, last two questions. Neutral or bold colors?
I think I like bold colors. But then, in terms of being smart, I still like the neutrals because again, the pumapasok sa you can wear it multiple times, you can mix, match. It's not so much of a standout na sinuot niya kahapon yan.
Exactly. Siyempre dapat yun na tayo, ma-maximize na.
It's all about maximizing.
And ito na, last na talaga. Bago kita i-grade.
Last na ba?
Last na ko, no? Napahaba kasi, as usual, sir, mga chika.
Yes, I like it. I like chika.
So fun. Okay, last question na talaga. So, comfort or style?
It can be both.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say both. Because at the end of the day, you cannot, hindi ka pwede magpanggap na maganda ka. Kasi sa totoo lang, kung hindi ka komportable, hindi ka ganda. Kailangan komportable ka. Kahit maganda ka, tapos parang lang yan sa ugali. No matter, beauty is dime a dozen. Pero kung masama ang ugali mo, kahit gano'n ka kaganda, there's something about you that doesn't have that luster. And it's the same with comfort. You're comfortable, you're beautiful. So don't follow the trends. Don't follow just because it's expensive. No, whatever makes you feel good, you will automatically agree.
Ayun naman pala! Thank you so much! Miss Miss of 2025!
Standing 5'2", but today is standing 5'5".
Miss Heart and Annalisa Escudero, thank you so much. Ang saya-saya, diba?
Ang saya-saya. Ang saya.
Dami mong extension points.
Yeah, as the only student. Tell me.
As a valedictorian.
Hindi nga ako nakagraduate.
Okay, but ito na nga. Right now, as promised, you guys, we will be selecting some raffle winners.
Yes!
Diba? Para Christmas party na.
Yes! So, hindi lang kami ang masaya, dapat kayo din. So, we are going to be selecting winners.
Courtesy of
Sampo!
Yes, courtesy of Bobby Yang. Pero we are only selecting them at this point. We will be announcing them later on. So,
Okay.
hawakan ko muna.
Okay. So, no announcement.
Not yet. Kailangan may suspense. One. Ano ba ako? Ikaw yan. Janina.
2. May babae, may lalaki.
Okay. 3, 4, okay na lang. 5, 6,
Doon yata, yung kanina.
7, 8,
Yung pagpasok natin, yung parang may lalaki doon.
9, and
Hindi tayo na ganun.
Hi, we were like boys.
Yeah.
We'll go into this in just a bit, but right now, we have a welcome marker or the welcome lady for our FitFlop signing. I'm gonna sign the shoes.
Baka ano yan, yung mga bumili ng product.
Iconic things only. We can actually be seated for this as we sign the shoes.
Wow!
Unboxing. Okay, so as Missy Hart signs these FitFlop pairs, I just like to make a shoes. Shoes daw eh. Not shoes daw. Bitaw namin eh. Sa likod na lang. Sa likod. Sure? Or should it be visible here? I think it's the...
Yan yung mga sapatos ko dati, clogs.
Ano kaya? Nalagay nila sa museum. Okay, so as Miss Hart signs, actually, pwede na pa daw drawing. Ayun, sabi ko na nga. Okay, we are so excited to announce that actually you can expect more and more FitFlop stores all over the Philippines. About 25 stores at present in 26 department stores by the end of the year. So congratulations, FitFlop Philippines! Super exciting news and super duper amazing because now it's even more accessible to everybody. Okay, the next pair. So cute. Asan na yung first pair? Aww. Pwede mag-tic-tac-toe dyan, no? Aw, so cute. As you can see, our crafty and creative queen is putting her own mark and her own artistic style. Hindi lang siya basta-basta signing. May may concept. May concepto. So cute! That's so cute actually. Ang bilis naman nun. As a live artist. And as an annotator, o diba? Ang saya natin dito eh. So, ayan na nga guys, you can expect more FitFlop stores to be available everywhere. And with that said, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys that you came up today. I hope you had enjoyed. At sa mga nakakapito sa taas, hello na rin po sa inyo. Sana nag-enjoy naman po kayo dyan. Mga magda, you got front row seat today. So, thank you so much. Sa mga nagkakape, para sa inyo talaga itong show na to. Yes. Hindi na po kumakanta. Hour-hour na lang po ang ambag ko today. Hindi. Okay, pa-drawing ka. May pa-live drawing ka. Yes. Guys, let's give it once again for Miss Hart and Evangelista. So beautiful. Maybe you can model the booties once more. Thank you. Okay, so again, last words for everybody. So again, thank you for showing up. I hope you have a wonderful day. And again, to my FitFlop family, it is an honor. I love it. Thank you so much. Once again, Miss Hart, Evangelista Escudero. Yes. Thank you so much for gracing us here today. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yes. Okay. And we will be announcing our winners now, guys. Okay, nasan na yung mga names? Okay, let's get those names right here. Or we can just announce them via voiceover. Oh, are the names here? We're also gonna give away some posters. Signed posters of Hart Evangelista to the... Okay, where's our official photographer? Okay, smile! Here na lang, for now. Alright, one more. And to everybody, you can also join our social media contest. We are giving away special prizes. Just post away and tag FitFlop Philippines and all of your posts from today.
Grabe ang security ni Heart. Hindi makalapit. Ayun na lang si Heart nandun. Favorite kasi ni Auntie Pudak si Heart. Talagang idol niya si Heart. Doon naman siya sa picture niya. Sa mga picture niya. May free food. Nasaan? Ayan. May free food.
Thank you for telling it up and down. Oh God.
Nasyala ng Fit Club. May pa free food. Free coffee. Ang sabi ito guys. Eh pa take home. Mag-comment ka kay Heart. Ano masasabi mo kay Heart? Ha? Ang ganda, no? Ang liit ng mukha. Tsaka napaka-humble niya, no? Hindi lang tayo makalapit. Grabe yung guardia.
Okay lang. Hindi kami nakapag-picture.
Importante, nakita mo na siya sa personal. Bucket list, ano? Check. Check. Nakita na si Heart. Ano na kasi talaga yun, guys. Idol na idol niya si Heart. Since, kailan? Big fan talaga siya ni Heart. Kailan ka nag-start maging fan ni Heart? Hindi pa sila na-cheat. Bata pa siya, dalaga pa siya. Ayun, galing naman. Oo. Sila pa ni Jana. Tagal na! Tagal na. Parang kalahati ng buhay mo. Wala na si Heart, guys. Malis na. Mga big boss pala yung mga yun. Katabi namin kanina doon, nagpapapicture kami doon. Sa picture ni Heart, nakikipagagawa pa kami ng picturean. Mga big boss pala yun. Ganda. Ito yan, mga speaker. Mamo din ako. Walang bayan. Mamo din ako. I-game sila. Sasali si Auntie Pudak. Ayan. Pili ka, anong gusto mo? Bag?
Kailangan tumakas, no? Okay ba? Pwede ko pa yan, no?
Ay! Sayang! Isa pa daw. How about you, ma'am? Sayang. Oh, dapat ginanong mo agad.
Thank you for the extra year.
Sayang. Sayang yun. Ang saya naman. Dito na kami nag-dessert.
Thank you, Pizza, for the dessert mo. Ano yan?
Cheers. Yan na lang haba ng pila. Malibreng kape. Ang swerte mo naman, invited ka sa ano ni Heart. Ang syala naman ng Fit Flop. Thank you, Fit Flop, sa experience. Ito tayo. Isuot ni Heart. Ay, sorry. Bet ko to, mga ganyan.
Kailangan ko pupunta ka na naman.
Magkano ba yan mga ganyan? Mga 3 plus?
6,000 plus.
Ah, 6,000. Mahal yun. Ito yung mga bago nila, oh. Ito yung bago nila, oh. Kasi ano din pala, oh. Song Hye Kyo.
Wala talaga sa
Oo, siya si Korea.
Philippines, diba?
Si Heart. Ito yung bago nila, oh. Yung pinirmahan ni Heart. Oo, ganyan yun. Yung pinirmahan ni Heart. Ganyan. Yun. Yung suot niya wala. Ang laki ng ano niya, oh. Siguro mga 3 inches yan. 3?
Tignan natin.
3 or 2? 2 and a half. Oo.
Walang nakalagay.
Wala kalagay.
Walang money.
Mga 3 inches yung taas niya, no? Laki.
Laki din.
Tatangkat lang nga. Sabi nga na 5 lang siya. Naging 5'5 na siya. Yan yung mga...
Ayun mo, tinan mo, tangkad.
Oo.
Pag yan natin sa TV, magiging ano.
Magiging ano na ako, 5'5". O kahit ko pala si Heart eh, 5'2 din ako eh. Ayan siya.
Pero isuot niya wala, no?
Wala dito.
Ganda yun, pangbaha.
Oo. Sa, naaayon sa panahon pang baha.